Good morning, Miller Mustangs. This is the week of February 24th, and this is your Mustang Message. Some updates. We are starting our LPAC testing this morning at 8 a.m. Attached to this email is the proctor schedule. The only changes, I believe, are in Miss Kringle's class. You have Miss Contreras assigned to you. In Miss Truman's class, you have Miss Magana assigned to you. And then in Miss Askin's class, for later in the week, you have Miss Vasquez assigned to you. They have signed the affidavits and should be ready to go. Make sure you're picking up the DFAs and the student ID cards before school every morning this week, and then return to Miss Jasmine during your recess. Please don't come at your lunchtime because we're not sure when Miss Jasmine is taking her lunch, but we know she's available at recess to receive the DFAs and the ID cards. The newcomers will be testing in the conference room. We've been practicing there since last week, so please send them to the office, not to the library this morning. And then today, Miss Hamilton and I will start coming around to classrooms around 8:50 a.m. to see where we are with the writing test. I've heard that the writing can be completed in one day. So if we're looking like everybody can finish today, we may extend testing time a little bit longer, but we'll do a check to see where everybody is. When you are sending students to ELD, please send them with a book or something else to do so that when they finish, they have something constructive to do and they don't become disruptive to the other people who are still testing. And then the TK through second grade one-to-one testing will also begin today. We will begin with second grade after the writing is finished. Our one-to-one testing for third through sixth grade will begin next week. All right, we have the end of trimester 2 and Student of the Month awards. Student of the Month has been pushed back a week to next Friday. Due to LPAC testing. Intervention will do the Minute to Win It game, so please identify a student to participate with you. Try 2 awards will be coming up in the middle of March for reading, writing, math, growth, and grit, and then our top reading counts winner. All of these ceremonies, again, will start at 8 a.m. outside underneath the Miller Mustang mural. On the 11th, we will do first grade. On the 12th, we will do second grade. The 13th, we will do third grade. The 16th, fourth grade. The 17th, fifth grade. And the 18th, we will do sixth grade. Kindergarten, look at your schedule and let me know a date that works best for you. And fifth and sixth grade, we will be getting you the DJ party date. All right, an assisted writing sample, those should be complete. If not, those should be completed early this week. Make sure you calibrate on scoring with your grade level peers. Let me know the date that that calibration is taking place, and that calibration needs to occur before your unassisted writing sample grades are put into School City. If you have any questions, come and see me. Thank you to Marilyn Jackson for bringing to my attention the No Conference Needed letter. That letter has been updated. I am attaching it to this email, and hard copies will be in the copy room for you as well if you need them. Make sure you send that No Conference Needed letter to all students who do not need a conference. For your at-risk students, I need a list of those students by Friday, February 28th. Also, you need to make sure that you send that conference schedule to Miss Nancy by Friday the 28th. Please make sure that at the conference you have the students or the parents sign the report cards, and then that is filed in the queue. All right, this Wednesday we have Fessler coming to give an AVID presentation to all sixth grade students at 1:30 in the cafeteria. And then also on Wednesday we will be having a leadership meeting. I will be emailing that agenda out to everybody by Tuesday. All right, some quick shout outs. Thank you to Miss Truman, Miss Kringle, and Miss Hamilton for supporting fifth graders at swimming lessons last week. Thank you to this cafeteria staff for providing a late snack to Miss Kringle's class when they returned from swim lessons. Thank you to Miss Henry, Miss Crockett, Miss Taylor, and Miss Crocker for helping out during the sub shortage this week. Thank you to Miss Jessica for continuing to cover the crosswalk in the morning. Thank you to Miss Perez and Mr. Tennant for supporting our first grade substitute in Miss Epperson's class. Thank you to Miss Gay for being flexible with the library, especially during LPAC testing. Thank you to Miss Jasmine for being flexible with all the LPAC changes and getting everything ready for LPAC testing starting today. And then again, thank you to all staff members for being diligent and walking students all the way out during dismissal time. It has really helped. And as always, please send me emails about those that you'd like to give a shout out to for next week. All right, remember our purpose: to ignite a love of learning that empowers each other to affect positive change in the world, and have a great week.